if we go back to this table that you have on page 8 of your notes, we filled all this part in the last time. As far as the rest of it goes, I mean, all I'm going to be doing is taking reciprocals of the remaining of what I see here. So, and I'm not rationalizing any denominators here, just to keep that in mind. You know that like 1 over the square root of 3 and the square root of 3 over 3 are the same thing, and that 1 over the square root of 2 and square root of 2 over 2 are the same thing. All that sort of information, just keep aware of it. Also be aware of the fact that, 0, when I take its reciprocal, I mean, if I look at 0, it's 0 over 1. If I take a reciprocal of that, I get 1 over 0. That's undefined. And likewise, if I have anything that's undefined and I take its reciprocal, that reciprocal is going to be 0. So that's another kind of new idea to kind of be aware of. But as I said, each and every one of these values I filled in with this like lighter blue color over here is just the result of me taking reciprocals of the first 3 trig functions. That's why I said these other 3 not as important to us in this course. Knowing what they are is important as far as what trig functions they're related to, or which trig functions they're reciprocals of, because I mean cosecants and secants in particular, I think maybe a cotangent here and there, do appear in formulas for various derivatives and integrals in calculus. So, that's whenever you need to know what those particular symbols or those trig functions actually represent. But as far as finding values for them, if you can find the values of the first 3 trig functions, the other 3 are no big deal because they're just reciprocals.